Hello and welcome to a review of Azure Usage Report. This report will be available to all the customers, resellers and distributors in the platform. The main goal is to give a very granular view of the Azure usage. So this first view is an overview view, and in it you can see the top categories by which to group the Azure usage. So we have the entitlements or the Azure subscriptions. We have the meter categories and subcategories. We have also tags if they are used, and we have all of that available visually and as a table as well. As with many other reports, cross-filtering works here as well, so you can select, for example, virtual machines and see all the meters connected to it and all the usage connected to it, both by cost and by quantity. So the next view is the breakdown report, and this lets you play around with the data even further. So in this middle area you can press on the plus button and extend the data summary by any of these dimensions. For example, you may want to look at the resource location, then you may want to look at the cost by resource location and by the meter name, then you may want to break the meter names and add the meter IDs, and so on. So there's a lot of opportunity to play around with how you look at the data, and if you select some combination, then all the other visuals update as well, so you can see the exact usage cost and usage quantity for this particular meter. The next view is the export view. So this is if you want to take the data that we have in the report and put it into your own Excel, use pivot, transform it, do anything with it. So here you can see all the usage by the meter, region, category, subcategory, and so on per day, summarized quantity and cost. And to export it, you just click on the three dots and click on export data. So these first three views will be available to everyone. And now we move on to the reseller and distributor specific views. So for the resellers, we have the additional view where they can see all the customer usage and their partner earned credit status. Basically what this means is that you can see in case any of your customers has opted out of applying the partner earned credit to their usage, then you can see what percentage, if not all, is currently without this credit status, which means that you earn less on these subscriptions. And besides that, you of course can cross-filter again by any individual customer, see their usage, see what they're spending their money on, and use the filters on the left to narrow it down further. And last but not least, we also have the distributor view. It's very similar to the reseller view, the only difference being that you can narrow the data down by the individual resellers, or reseller and customer combinations, or by customers based on these drill down buttons. Thank you.